In this video, I want to talk about how you can multi-view inside of YouTube TV. Now keep in mind, this is only available for some channels, mainly sports channels and stuff like this. So just keep that in mind. Now let's get right into it. So what you can do is you can use the existing multi-view that is already on YouTube TV. So this is primarily for sports or news content. You can open up the YouTube TV and then head to Home or Live tab. Look for rows labeled Watch in Multiview or something like that. And then you can just open them and you will start watching in Multiview. Now, otherwise, sometimes there will be a live event where you can do this. So you can just start watching any live event and see if it has down a multi-view if you press down on your remote. And if there's a multi-view there, you can just select it and that should be it. Now currently these are the only ways that you can do it. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.